Hi everyone, it's Jeff again, here for you from Keller Williams Realty with some advice on selling your home. Today's question is, are you struggling to sell your home? It may seem like kind of an odd question considering the fact we've been in a strong seller's market for several years in most areas of the United States, including central New York. Now things are cooling off a little bit. Many properties are still selling quickly, but we have more now than we've had in quite some time that are taking a little bit longer to sell. And there's really three major reasons that you should be thinking about that will address this question of why your house may not be selling. Number one is pricing problems. This is a very common issue. Many homeowners price their home too high. Maybe they're ahead of the market and they think that it's going to keep appreciating, or maybe a homeowner feels like they need wiggle room as far as negotiating, and if they don't set the price high enough, then they won't have any negotiating room. However, this might end up turning buyers away and you may end up losing money in comparison to taking a different approach, which might be pricing it right to begin with or reducing it faster so you can get ahead of the market if it's in fact not selling. Today's buyers are getting smarter, so listen to the feedback that you're getting from showings from your realtor. Listen to feedback that you might be getting from things like an open house. So you may find that the common problem is price. And in most cases, you're going to need to lower the price a little bit, and your agent should be able to help you and counsel you as to what the right amount would be for a price reduction. Secondly, talking point number two is going to be product problems. And what I mean by product problems are, there could be a problem with your house. It could be one thing or another. Once again, listen to feedback that you're getting from showings, from open houses, from things like that. There may be renovations or updates that you need to consider. Some of them might be as simple as redecorating a little bit, doing some cosmetic updates. On the other hand, you might need a professional stager to come in and give you some good staging advice. Correct staging, including curb appeal, decorations, painting, and many more things, can really help make a difference and may be the difference between getting you over the finish line or not. Number three, marketing problems. If nobody knows your house is for sale, no one's going to buy it. Sounds kind of silly, but that could be the case. If you don't have the right buyers hearing about it, knowing about it, seeing it online, you may not have enough exposure. So just make sure that the marketing plan that your agent is following is top notch. Many people are going to start their home by looking online and doing their search online. Over 90% of home buyers do that, and they use the internet to help them find properties. So make sure your listing looks good. Make sure the photos are professional. Make sure that you're on the right websites. Make sure that you've got social media exposure and possibly even a virtual tour or some drone photography if it seems like it would fit the bill. Those are the three major points. Look at those things, reevaluate them if you're not having success. Ask your agent if they can give you some advice, and I'm sure that you will get to the finish line sooner rather than later if you do those things. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your week. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Jeff Roney at Keller Williams Realty. Bye-bye.